Have you ever felt lost when someone used an English idiom you didn't understand? It's a common struggle for many English learners, but don't worry today. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the idiom once in a lifetime. Understanding this idiom can significantly improve your communication skills. Let me share a funny story about a misunderstanding of this idiom. My friend, who was new to English, thought once in a lifetime meant something that happens regularly. So, when his boss invited him to a company retreat, he declined, saying, "I can't go, that only happens once in my lifetime." Needless to say, his boss was quite confused. So, what does once in a lifetime actually mean? It's a figurative expression that describes a rare or unique opportunity that may never happen again. Now, let's see how the idiom is used correctly. My friend, who is an avid traveler, recently had the chance to go on a safari in Africa. He said, "This safari is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I've always wanted to see the big five in their natural habitat." He was able to capture stunning photos and create memories that will last a lifetime. Here are some examples of how you can use once in a lifetime in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I got tickets to see the Beyoncé concert. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity." In a formal setting, this research grant is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to advance our field. In a negative context, "I missed my chance to study abroad. That was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity." In a humorous context, "Winning the lottery would be a once-in-a-lifetime experience for me. I never win anything." In a literary context, "The sunset over the mountains was a once-in-a-lifetime sight, a true masterpiece of nature." In a business setting, "This merger is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to expand our reach and increase our market share." On social media, "Just had the most amazing once-in-a-lifetime adventure, can't wait to share the photos." To help you remember the meaning of once in a lifetime, try visualizing a rare, one-of-a-kind event or experience. Think of something you've always wanted to do, like skydiving or meeting your favorite celebrity. This mental image can serve as a powerful mnemonic device to recall the idiom's figurative meaning. Here are some fun facts about the idiom once in a lifetime. While the phrase gained popularity in the 20th century, earlier uses can be found. It reflects a long-held human fascination with rare and significant experiences. The idiom's impact is heightened by its use of once, emphasizing the irreplaceable nature of the opportunity. While similar to expressions like "once in a blue moon" or "once in a century," "once in a lifetime" implies even greater rarity and significance. The idiom's power comes from its ability to evoke a sense of urgency and the potential for lasting memories. This makes it a popular choice in various forms of media. Here are some idioms and phrases related to once in a lifetime. Similar: a once in a blue moon opportunity, a once in a century event, a once in a lifetime chance. Opposite: a dime a dozen. Commonplace: everyday occurrence. Related: seize the day. Make the most of it. Carpe diem. Let's try using once in a lifetime in a sentence. This trip to the Galapagos Islands is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see the unique wildlife up close. Now, let's rephrase the sentence without using the idiom. This trip to the Galapagos Islands is a rare and exceptional chance to see the unique wildlife up close. While the meaning is similar, the idiom adds a sense of uniqueness and emphasis to the opportunity. Here's a real-life story that showcases the effective use of the idiom once in a lifetime. My friend, who is a passionate photographer, was invited to join a research expedition to the Amazon rainforest. When he shared the news with his family, he said, This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to capture the beauty and diversity of the Amazon ecosystem. His family immediately understood the significance of this rare chance and fully supported his decision to go. Let's address some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom once in a lifetime. Grammatical mistake, using an instead of a before once in a lifetime. Correct usage, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Not this is an once in a lifetime opportunity. Meaning misunderstanding, thinking once in a lifetime means something only happens once in your entire life. Correct understanding, once in a lifetime refers to a rare or unique opportunity. Not necessarily a single occurrence in one's lifetime. Inappropriate context, using once in a lifetime to describe something that happens regularly or frequently. Correct usage, once in a lifetime should be reserved for truly exceptional or rare events or opportunities. Let's test your understanding of the idiom once in a lifetime. 1. What does once in a lifetime mean? A. Something that happens only once in your entire life. B. A rare or unique opportunity that may never happen again. C. An everyday occurrence. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for once in a lifetime? A. Commonplace. B. A dime a dozen. C. A once-in-a-century event. Correct answer, C. 3. Which of these is an antonym for once in a lifetime? A. Seize the day. B. A make the most of it. C. A routine occurrence. Correct answer, C. In summary, once in a lifetime is a powerful idiom that describes a rare or unique opportunity that may never happen again. Understanding the meaning and proper usage of this idiom can significantly improve your communication skills and help you express yourself more effectively in English. Remember, seize those once-in-a-lifetime moments and make the most of them. Now it's your turn. Share a sentence using the idiom once in a lifetime in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you plan to apply this new knowledge in your everyday conversations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons. Let's continue our journey towards mastering the language together.